Everybody, this is Jeff Bernard with Solve Systems, and today we're going to go over how to authenticate a webhook request from Facebook developer platform into Microsoft Power Automate and confirm it back as being a valid webhook within Facebook's developer platform. The reason for making this video is because it was there's no information about how to specifically do this in a visual way on the internet. There may be, but I haven't found it. So we're going to go over that right now. Let's go. So here we are inside the Facebook developer dashboard. And we're not going to go over how to set up the app, but you'll need to set up an app for your organization and then connect it to your Facebook page for your business. And then we're going to look specifically at add callback URL. That is right here. So we're going to open it up real quick and see what we need in order to get that information. So this is where your webhook request from Power Automate is going to go. And then the verify token, this is just a string of hexadecimal information that is verified after it runs through your webhook. So we're going to go generate that token right now. We hit generate token. We copy it. Make sure we copy it. And then we're going to open up a notepad. I already had one here, and so we're going to add it again. And we're going to go over that other information that's in there. So we have our verify token, and now we're going to navigate to Power Automate. We're going to hit New, Instant, and when a HTTP request is received. There's no URL. This is going to be the URL you're going to grab right here. Okay. The next step is adding a Parse JSON operation. Okay, so we open that up, and then we're going to add a response. Here we go, right here, this request response. Okay, so we have our HTTP request, we have our parse JSON, and we have our response. First, we're going to go into the show advanced options. We're going to select get, because Facebook is getting this request from our webhook. Then, on a notepad, beforehand, copy this information. Make sure it's triggerOutputs and then single parentheses. Make sure it's not an apostrophe. We want parentheses or else it will not take, and this was the issue that I was having when trying to do this initially. We're going to go to clicking content and then expression. We're going to add this, and look, it took it. Now, if it doesn't take it, make sure, again, you check those open single parentheses because it will give you all kinds of hell. You're going to copy this JSON code. We're going to put it in the schema. And then we're going to save. So at this point, we have almost all of our steps done. Lastly, we're going to go down here into the hub mode. So we have a few parameters. It's hub mode subscribe, which we won't have to really worry about in this instance, but it's saying subscribe to that webhook. Then the challenge from your hub, and then the verify token. And what's going to happen is it's going to take this GET request from Facebook developer platform, send it to the webhook, then send it back to itself and confirm. And the parameter it's going to confirm is the hub.challenge. So we're going to pick hub.challenge right now. Okay, we have this. We're going to save again. And then up here, we have our URL. We're going to copy the URL to the clipboard by clicking these little copy buttons. And then we're going to click add callback URL. So that's the URL from the request. We're going to go to our clipboard. We're going to get our verified token. And don't exit out like I just did. So we're going to just copy that verified token. And then go copy the request. Again, the URL request. And then, boom, it took it, and we have a verified webhook. And the way we can check this is that we can navigate backwards. And then we can see right here that this succeeded. And then after this, the next video, what we're going to do is go over how to get a message when a message is sent to your business messenger page and send it to anywhere. We'll parse the JSON there, and then we'll send it wherever we want. But specifically, I'm going to integrate this into Pipedrive for a customer. So that's what we're going to do. All right, so if you like this video, subscribe and you'll continue to get my content, and I look forward to making more of these videos for you guys. Have a good one. Bye.